9 baking soda hacks to get rid of pests from your home naturally. Mice, cockroaches, fleas, ants. Keeping your home free from pests can feel like an uphill battle. You might be wondering if there's a simple solution to this persistent problem. Enter baking soda, an everyday item that not only helps with baking but is also a powerhouse in pest control. In this article, we'll explore 9 exciting baking soda hacks that can help you tackle unwanted pests like cockroaches, ants, fruit flies, and more, all in a natural, non-toxic way. Why choose baking soda? Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, is a versatile and affordable product. It's known for its cleaning and deodorizing abilities, but its pest-fighting properties might surprise you. Not only is baking soda safe to use around pets and children, but it also serves as an eco-friendly alternative to harsh chemical pesticides. Stick around as we uncover the fascinating ways baking soda can help you reclaim your home from pests. 1. Cockroach bait. Cockroaches are notoriously resilient, but baking soda has a secret weapon against them. When ingested, the alkaline nature of baking soda disrupts the cockroach's pH balance, affecting its metabolic processes. This can be lethal, especially since baking soda acts as a desiccant, dehydrating the cockroaches that thrive in moist environments. To create an effective bait, mix equal parts baking soda and sugar. The sugar lures cockroaches in, while the baking soda does the work. Sprinkle this mixture in dark corners, under sinks, and along baseboards. Make sure to reapply regularly to keep those pesky cockroaches at bay. 2. Ant repellent. Ants might be small, but they can be a significant nuisance. When ants consume baking soda, it reacts with their stomach acids, producing carbon dioxide gas that causes internal pressure and ultimately their demise. Additionally, baking soda disrupts their pheromone trails, making it harder for them to navigate. To tackle an ant invasion, create a bait by mixing baking soda with powdered sugar. Scatter this mix near entry points and areas with heavy ant activity. Regularly check and replace the bait, especially if it gets damp. With consistent use, you can manage and reduce ant populations naturally. 3. Fruit fly trap. Fruit flies love ripe fruit and are a common sight in kitchens. You can create a simple yet effective trap using baking soda. Mix baking soda with vinegar and a few drops of dish soap in a shallow bowl. The vinegar attracts the flies, while the baking soda neutralizes acidity, and the soap ensures they sink and drown. Place the trap near your fruit bowl or trash can, and keep it fresh by replacing the mixture regularly. Keeping your kitchen clean will also help in minimizing fruit fly attraction. 4. Bed bug deterrent. Bed bugs can be incredibly challenging to eliminate, but baking soda can help disrupt their life cycle. When bed bugs come into contact with baking soda, the fine granules can cause small cuts on their exoskeletons, making them more susceptible to dehydration. Sprinkle baking soda along seams of mattresses, bed frames, and cracks where bed bugs may hide. Leave it for several days, then vacuum it up. While this method can help reduce their numbers, it should be part of a broader strategy that includes cleanliness and possibly professional pest control. 5. Fly repellent. Flies thrive in decaying environments, and baking soda can help neutralize the odors that attract them. Combine baking soda with sugar and a small amount of vinegar to create a fly trap. The mixture will lure flies in, and the reaction between the baking soda and vinegar will create a fizzing effect, further disorienting them. Set this trap up in areas where flies gather, and replace the mixture frequently to keep it effective. 6. Silverfish control. Silverfish can cause damage to books and wallpaper, and baking soda can be an effective control method. The fine particles can harm their exoskeletons, leading to dehydration. Additionally, baking soda interferes with their digestion. Sprinkle baking soda in dark corners and areas where you often see silverfish. You can also mix it with sugar to lure them in. Make sure to clean up any dead silverfish afterward and reapply the baking soda as needed. 7. Slug and snail barrier. If you're an avid gardener, you know the struggle of keeping slugs and snails away from your plants. Baking soda can help create a barrier that deters these pests. When they come into contact with baking soda, it can irritate their soft bodies and lead to dehydration. Sprinkle baking soda around the base of plants or directly on slugs and snails you encounter. It's particularly effective in damp environments, making it a natural solution for protecting your garden. 8. Spider deterrent. Spiders are often unwelcome guests in our homes. Baking soda can disrupt the odors they rely on to hunt and navigate. Plus, it absorbs moisture, making your home less appealing to them. Sprinkle baking soda around entry points and areas where spiders are active. For an extra boost, mix baking soda with essential oils like peppermint, known to repel spiders. Reapply regularly to keep those 8-legged intruders away. 9. Rodent repellent. Baking soda can deter rodents like mice and rats. When ingested, it reacts with their stomach acids, producing gas that can be fatal. To create an effective bait, mix equal parts baking soda, flour, and sugar. The sugar attracts rodents, while the baking soda disrupts their digestive systems. Place this mixture in shallow containers in areas where you've seen rodent activity. Ensure it's out of reach of pets and children, and remember to seal entry points in your home to prevent them from getting inside. Pests immune to baking soda. While baking soda is effective against many pests, some may not be affected. Here are a few pests that may be immune to baking soda. Mosquitoes. They primarily feed on blood and don't ingest baking soda. Bees and wasps. These insects do not consume substances like baking soda. Termites. As wood-eaters, they don't interact with baking soda in harmful ways. Certain ant species. Some may detect baking soda and avoid it. Conclusion. Baking soda is an incredible, non-toxic solution for managing common household pests. From cockroaches to slugs, its versatility makes it an essential item in your pest control toolkit. However, remember that while baking soda can help reduce pest populations, it should be part of a comprehensive pest management approach that includes cleanliness and, when necessary, professional pest control services. By implementing these baking soda hacks, you can create a safer and healthier living environment for you and your family while minimizing harmful chemicals. Try these tips today and take the first step toward a pest-free home. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comment section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.